Here I have Samsung Galaxy Core 2 and let me show you how to use and how to enable the power saving mode. So saying in other words, how to extend your battery lifetime. So at the very beginning, of course, let's unlock the screen, and at first let me show you the quick version of turning on power saving mode. Let's just use an upper bar, and here you can find and select the power saving right here. So let's just tap on power saving, and as you can see, power saving mode is turned on. So you can use this mode right now, or you can also use the power saving settings. So let's find and select the list of settings of Android. Here you have to scroll down and choose power saving mode. It's located under storage. As you can see, power saving mode right now is enabled. You can see the CPU power saving, so it limits maximum performance of the CPU. You can enable this feature or disable. You can also do the same thing with screen power saving mode. And if you would like to have some more tips, let's choose learn about power saving, and here you've got all the definitions. Let's go back. If you would like to disable this mode, let's use the same switcher right here, and right now you are using device in a normal mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.